Oops, I did it again. Okay, maybe I didn't. But this is box number 4 of the 4 that I got last week from the Amazon liquidation place. Now, I opened 2 boxes. One I showed you. One I've got to go through, finish going through. And then my third one I sold to a fellow eBay seller. Fine, it's a relative who also sells on eBay, but they paid me for it. Great. So, anywho, I made the money back on that one. But this is box number 4. Dong, 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 dong. Now, mind you, I paid $65 for this box. We're going to see what's in it. Let's go. Okie dokie. I've opened the box up. Looks like an assortment of treasures. Let's see what's in here. Well, our first treasure is an automatic phone dispenser. I'll have to scan it to see what it's worth. Oh, it has an Amazon barcode. I'll have to peel that off, but I'll let you know what it's worth once I scan it. Let's just take a look at a few things here. Okay, this is a adjustable skipping speed rope with cushion grips. Ooh. Okay. There are several. That's 2. 3, 4, 5. Okay, I'm gonna have to take a moment and see what these are worth. I'll be right back. Okay, so on Amazon, I don't see this exact one. I will have to look it up, do some more research on it. On eBay, they're going anywhere from maybe $10 to $15. Maybe not this exact one again, but the adjustable skipping speed ropes. I'm surprised it's really heavy. But I'm going to have to do some research on it and let you know what this one's going for. Now, this soap dispenser is going for around $35. Average price. It's the touchless one, so that's pretty cool. And then I'm really not seeing a lot of treasures yet. I'm seeing various stuff. This is a plant protection cover. I don't know if that would be winter or summer, to be honest. This is some type of maybe rain jacket. Puffer jacket. Looks more like a rain jacket. I don't want to really take it out. Well, I guess I could. It's zip ties up top. So, 1 second. It's a little kid's raincoat. It's got the bunny ears. Beep, 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 beep. Hooded. It's thick. It'll definitely keep the rain off of them, that's for certain. Let's see what else we have in here. I have no clue what these are. Some kind of white pumpkin thingies. Oh, let's see what this thing says. This is pumpkin something. Research. These are Christmas stickers. Merry Christmas. Okay, next year. This is a spinning. Oh, one of those spinning thingies. Okay. There's some, novelty pillowcases. There's several of those down in here. There's a brush. not sure what this thing is. It has to be some sort of, because it has the labeling with it. I'll have to do some research, but I guess you store items in it. I guess you do. But there's several of those in here. Several masks. You know, the thing that goes up under the mask, keep it up off of your face. Some other masks. This is my first Christmas. So I guess this box was Christmas themed. And this, what is this thing? Is cake mold? Something. This box is called Do Some Research, Cheryl. Stickers. A mask. This is like it says Polar Mate, so maybe it's something you put around your drink. Yeah, like you put your cold drink in it. That's a sleeve. That's some tape. Hawaiian music. Okay. More fashion masks. Oh, what are you? You are... This is a sweater? Let's see. A women's sweater cardigan long sleeve. Okay. I'll go with that. And that's a Sweet 16 sticker. Guess you'd put this on a cake or something. This orange thing. I don't have my glasses, so I don't know what that says. Another brush. A pet squeaky toy. Some more of these things. This is a Apple Watch band. Okay. Oh, this must be a mask. It says Dr. Fauci says. I'm sorry. That gave me the giggles. Hey. Doesn't seem like a whole bunch of treasures in here this time. I paid $65 for this one. Well, for each one. But I'm going to go through it again. I'm going to, that might be another watch band. I'm going to do a little research, maybe group some things when I list them, like read some of the masks or find out exactly what these things are. I had something similar to this in the first Amazon box that I got, and I mean, it's so quick. I didn't know what the heck it was. Resealable. Is that resealable Mylar Ziploc food bags? Maybe for the freezer? I'm not sure what it's for. It's for some type of storage. Okay. And I think that's about all down in this box. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna have to do some research on a few of these things. I do have 5 of these, so even if I get $10, $15 a piece, I will have made back my $65. So I'm good with that. So just in looking at everything that's come out so far, it all seems to be low-hanging fruit, but you know that multiplies. So just in checking this, I'd say I'm going to at least double my money, because on the jump ropes, I can get back my my investment. And then this thing by itself is like a $35 bill. And then you got the little miscellaneous things. So I'll at least double my money on it. So would I say that it was worth getting? Yeah. There's no harm in doubling your money. I'll do that any day of the week. So just wanted to show you what came out of box number 3. And I have to go back through the other box because I didn't show you what was in that one. But I'll do that another day. Right now, it's on to listing. So, anywho, be sure to comment, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're enjoying my videos. I do appreciate that. Hit that notification bell so that you'll know when I'm putting up new videos. And again, this is Cheryl of Cheryl Knows saying, have a great day on purpose. On purpose. Cheryl out.